To my parrot, I promise.
From the first time you perched upon my hand,
I will never move and not take you with me.
I knew we'd share.
I will never put you in a shelter and leave. I will never desert you when you get old. Nor will I leave you if you go blind. I will never let you hurt or be hurt. I'll never push you away when you want to snuggle.
Silent wings you speak to my soul.
I'll never ignore you when there's time to play.
Each day with you makes my heart feel whole.
I'll never forget to tell you I love you.
When I'm lost and start to stray, you're the light that guides my way.
I'll never get mad at you when you poop on my shirt.
I find
Nor would I get mad if you pooped in my hair.
through every sunrise and the setting sun,
I will never get frustrated and abandon you.
you've been my laughter, my number one.
I will always put your needs above my
When the world
own.
feels heavy and the night so long,
I will never miss the
your
opportunity to
cheerful
spend time with
chirps
you.
become my favorite song. I'll be your wings when you feel weak.
I will always sing to you in the mornings when I wake you up, and in the evenings when I put you to bed.
Can't speak. You've shown me love in your own sweet way.
I will always let you know how much you are loved.
I'll keep you safe forever and a day.
I'll be there for you even when you become old and grumpy.
Silent wings you
And when that time
speak
comes,
to my soul.
I will be there to hold you.
Each day with you makes my
Because you are my
heart
family,
feel
and I love you.
When I'm lost and start to stray, you're the light that guides my way.